Hi YouTube, it is me, your boy, Britney Spears number 828,278,203,002. Good luck editing that in, oh my god. 828,278,203,002. Good luck editing that in. Why? I'm so tired of myself. Anyway, today I am joined here by the one, the only,
legend,
Miss Case. Hello. Hello, Miss Case. Do you want to say something to the camera?
Please stop talking. Already so tired of you. Leave me alone.
She's a little shy, you know? Anyway, today, what the idea is of this video is that I'm gonna be making a little wig for my cat because obviously I do all of these things with wigs and stuff like that, and I do all these fancy hairstyles on myself. And I thought, my cat has been so good to me. So good. Like, oh my god, you don't even understand how nice my cat is. So I thought she deserves to feel beautiful just like all of us do. And she deserves some special treatment today. So today, what I'm gonna be doing for you guys is I'm gonna be making my cat, Miss Case, a tiny little wig. And by the way, don't come for me, Peter, please. I'm only doing this because I know that she won't mind, and obviously I'm not gonna pin it on her head. Anyway, my birthday was 2 weeks ago, so you have to subscribe and like this video. You don't gotta do anything, but like, am I telling people to like the video and subscribe before even watching a video? Yes, I'm so sorry about that. It won't happen again. Like and subscribe. Anywho, I'm gonna zoom you guys out a little bit because we're very close up right now. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So, quite obviously, I am not gonna be pinning a wig on my cat's head because I am not an animal abuser. Unlike Brooke House, I don't think that's right. So, what we got here is a sock. A sock. And a ball of wool. I'm just gonna be stuffing that ball of wool into this black sock.
What are you doing, human?
Please do not kiss my head.
Now, for some support to keep it steady, I'm just gonna be using a can of hairspray because, you know, need a standard for it to stand on. Oh yeah, that's good. Now, as you can clearly tell, this is obviously already starting to have an uncanny resemblance to my cat. Like, oh my god, these are just the same thing. I can't tell them apart. Which one is my real cat? I don't know, you tell me. Oh yes, it's you. You're the real one. You the real one, aren't you? So what we're then gonna do is take a sheet of paper and we're gonna fold that in half. Drawing on some cat eyes. And I'm gonna be taking these pencils. Obviously, this is their intended purpose. This is what they're made for. Add maybe a little bit of yellow, a little bit. Make a perfect little cutout. An almost perfect little cutout. And that's gonna leave us with 2 eyes afterwards, because obviously 2 eyes is better than 1 eye. If you have 1 eye, that's completely fine. I'm not judging you. I just know that your depth perception must be really off, and I'm sorry about that. Here we go. We got 1 colored in, and then we're just gonna put some color on the other one. A little bit. Et voila! It's 2 eyes that are clearly identical to my cat eye. You like it?
Get til skarpa gefa ifrá me.
Do I have any glue? Because glue would be kind of useful right now. Could not find my glue stick, so I am just gonna be using some super glue. Ah! Where did you spill? So let's glue these on. It's all over my hands. Don't mind my ugly nails and fingers. It's all over my hands. Don't like it. Ugh. So then for the ears, I'm just gonna be taking some metal wire and I am gonna be utilizing that. Just cut some of that off and bend it into a little tiny cat ear shape. And I'm just gonna push those into my cat. So here you go, here we have it. Obviously this is an exact replica of my cat. It is 1-to-1 scale, it is hyper realistic, 100% My real cat? What do you mean it's a puppet? No, it's not. Trust me, I would know a cat. Yeah? Fight me. It's a real cat, okay? So for the next step, I'm going to be taking this wig, which is a lace front, and this is pretty much the closest to my real hair color and all that I have. So I thought it'd be fun and, you know, use this one, make her pretty much into me, because why would you not want a tiny little cat version of you? You know, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using, and I am just going to be cutting off a tiny little chunk right here of this lace to use that for my cat wig. I think I should probably brush this first so I can actually cut this off without any problems, you know? I think this is enough. And now don't get me wrong, I know that my cat is fully covered in hair. The lace won't blend into her scalp, but because obviously she's a hairy black cat. She doesn't really have visible skin, you know? So the lace front is obsolete. However, I feel like she deserves the luxury of a lace front. Oh baby, you deserve it. So I am just gonna be taking my tangle teaser and teasing the tangles the same way that the kids in school teased me. I don't know if I ever talked about this, but obviously throughout school I got bullied and stuff like that. I feel like it's completely obsolete to talk about because, hello, I am a YouTuber. We all have sad backstories just like every anime character. But I might talk about it in another video if y'all want me to. Just let me know in the comments down below. Anyway, at this point I think the tangles are sufficiently teased. So I'm gonna be just taking some tiny little scissors and cutting out a tiny little patch of that lace, you know? Beauty! Oh, wat ben je toch lief. Oh, wat ben je toch mooi. What do you think? Is that nice?
I'll knock all this bleep over.
That's about right.
I'm so funny and quirky and relatable. I make mustaches and goatees out of lace front wigs. Oh my god, I'm not like the other girls.
Oh yeah, that's about right. Beautiful. Ariana Grande, eat your heart out. So I'm just gonna safety pin the front in place for now, I guess.
Ow.
Next up, I just need a little bit more hair for in the back of her head, you know? Except this part isn't lace. See, she's luxurious and she deserves the best. Does she deserve a full lace wig? I don't think so. Cut that chunk out. Now, obviously, this isn't a lace bit. This is just a regular bit. So there we go. Oh, you look like Rapunzel. You look so pretty. So then I am going to sew those two pieces together. Anywho, with this lace part attached onto it. Oh, I look bad from that angle. I am going to be attaching these two bits. This might take a little minute, so bear with me, please. Brush it through a little bit.
Envoyam tender reddid.
Beautiful. Stunning. So then we need to get to styling this. I'm not sure what I want to do. I think I want to braid it down the middle between her ears. You should cut her first before we proceed. I think I'm gonna do that. Let's just take some scissors, and I'm not particularly gonna... obviously I want it to be as light as possible because it's for a cat. Hello? Oh, she's beautiful. She's stylish. She vibing.
Thanks, Roman.
Oh, alright. It has been a day, and I've had a night's sleep and all of that. Why did I wait a full night's sleep before recording the rest of this video, you might be asking? I don't know, but it helps because I got more results on the poll that I took. Because I made a poll on Instagram to ask what I should do with Miss Catwig right here. If I should curl it or go straight with it. And drum rolls, please. 1,234,000. For straight, it says 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1,234 votes for straight hair and 4,347 votes for curly hair. So that's it.
I do a lot of these types of polls over on Instagram whenever I film a video, so if you want to partake next time, I'd really appreciate if you'd follow me there. I'm trying to get to 600k somewhere next year.
So we're gonna be curling this cat wig. Curly has won by overwhelming majority. So for that, I'm gonna be plugging in my straighteners because this is heat resistant synthetic hair. So pretty much it doesn't really hold curls from curling irons. So either you have to do some rolls and stuff like that, or what I like to do, if y'all have seen my Rags to Riches series where I fix up synthetic wigs that I've neglected to death, I like to straighten it first to heat it up and then wrap it around something. So for this, I'm gonna be using, because I want a tighter curl, because, you know, looser curls won't really show up on something this tiny. So I'm gonna use the back of one of my makeup brushes. So let's get to that. Jesus Christ. Get it together, Niels. There we go. So while those heat up, let's just have a talk for a moment. Just have a between you and me, you know? How has your week been this week? How has it been? Has it been good? Has it been bad? I hope it's been good. If not, I hope at least I can maybe relieve some stress with being a dumbass in this video. My week's been pretty good, to be honest. This week I've started to notice that a lot of people have been questioning my relationship and stuff like that. Listen, I used to have like a shared account with my ex. He's pretty damn great still. Either way, we've been broken up for a long time now. He's gone his own way, I've gone my own way. I am single and I have been for a long time, and I'm not looking to change that. My God. And no, I am also not looking around for anything that, you know, it's not for me. And since a while, I've actually been doing really good by myself, and it's really nice to feel like that and not feel like you need someone else to, you know, validate you as a person. But I've been doing really good the past few weeks, and I'm planning on keeping it that way, you know? I'm not letting anyone interfere with that. I'm getting sidetracked. Nice to meet you. Straighteners are on and heated up, so I'm just gonna be taking a section right here, this little section, and heating that hair up.
You are frying my scalp, peasant.
So then what I'm gonna want to do with that is wrap that around this brush. I couldn't find any pins because I've lost them all. Where do bobby pins go? Do they just go to an elusive fairyland somewhere far, far away? Are they like socks? Do they just disappear? That I do not know. Got a little bouncy curl. So I'm just gonna be doing that with the rest of the hair as well. Here I am, 21 years old, in my mom's living room, making a wig for my cat. Funny how life does these things, isn't it? Strange, isn't it? Ah.
1 hour later.
Alright, so we got her curled up, and she's beautiful, she's stunning, she's gorgeous, she's flawless.
Thanks.
So let's just take a comb and brush those curls through a bit. I think I just ruined it. Baby, I did her dirty with that. I think she's kind of cute, to be completely honest. If I dare be so bold, I think we have a little Solange moment going on right now. Yeah. I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say it. She's cute. I think she's done. Oh, what do y'all think? What do y'all think? Kinda wish my hair did this, naturally. We're gonna do the big reveal and put it on my baby. Alright? So, yeah, I'll be right back. Are you excited? You excited? You excited to be a pretty princess? That is gonna make you such a pretty girl. If she wants to take it off, I'm not gonna push it. I'm not pinning this to her head, obviously, because that is animal abuse. The same with like Halloween costumes and stuff like that. If you know your animal is uncomfortable with that type of thing, don't do it. Just for the sake of a funny Instagram picture or something like that. So, like I said, If you know your animal doesn't like these types of things, don't force it upon them. It's not cute. It's not funny. Your animal and you have a bond of trust. You don't want to exceed their boundaries, you know? I know y'all will probably want to see it perfectly on top of her head or something like that. But if she doesn't want that, I'm not doing that, okay? The queen herself. Do you like it? Oh, you look so pretty. You look so pretty. Do you like it, baby? Oh, baby, you look so pretty. What do you think of it?
I hate it, Lobai.
I don't think she likes it. I don't think she minds. She doesn't necessarily like it or dislike it. What do you think? You don't like it? It's not for you? That's fine. Hey. So what have we learned today? Don't force your animals to do something that you want them to do for Instagram likes or whatever. Don't do that. Please. Regardless, I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you guys next time. Again, like I said before, I'm trying to reach 600k on Instagram and 300k on YouTube somewhere next year. I don't know when that's gonna happen. It's going a lot faster than I thought it would. Like, whoa. Help. I had something planned for maybe mid to next year, but things are going a lot faster than I anticipated them going. What? How did this happen? Thank you. Again, if you like the video, like the video. If you want to subscribe, subscribe. I don't know, man. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.